Welcome to the introduction video of the 4.0 software upgrade. The software upgrade includes some brilliant new features along with some redesigned icons, some features that makes the machine both faster and easier to use. One of the features that we have introduced is the new advanced tool position. What this means is basically both the laser is calibrated left and right, but also the cutting tool is actually calibrated as well. That basically means that when you're scanning a new wheel, after the initial scan itself, all of the various parts of the machines are calibrated. That means that we've taken out all of the guesswork of either setting the laser in height or left and right. So basically what we have done is that we have removed some complexity from the overall repair process. This really enhances the machine's overall user friendliness that basically allows you to do faster repairs, but also allows you to do more foolproof repairs. What we have also introduced is a new advanced filtration. This basically allows you to cut better with the existing machine, only using an upgrade. Secondly, as well, we've introduced a feature that basically counts how many wheels you have cut with the tip and gives an automatic reminder of when you should change that cutting tip. The 4.0 software upgrade also includes some new quick cutting tools. That means that you can basically cut quick setting 1, 2, and 3 simultaneously after each other. What you can also do as a part of the repair process itself is that you can run the deburring mode. That means that you can basically put your file to the edge of the wheel and deburr the edge of the wheel before actually ending the cut itself. That means that if you by accident hit a part of the cut surface, you can just cut it over and it looks beautiful again. We've also introduced a feature that basically allows you to, when you're doing the shadow cut or after the initial shadow cut, you can basically repeat the cut instead of having to wait all the way to the end of the wheel. That basically saves you a lot of time if you set the initial start point too high. Another feature in the 4.0 software upgrade is basically all of the new various icons that allows you to much better understand what the machine is asking you to do, but also it allows you to easier understand each individual component of the machine. And what we've also done, we've built more user-friendly and user guides into the part of the machine itself. The 4.0 software upgrade also includes a brand new diagnostic screen that basically allows you to run more advanced diagnostic yourself, but also in that connection, we've also added a new feature that basically allows the machine to sync with our SIS platform that basically allows us, but also yourself, to see every single cut that the machine does that automatically gets transferred into SAS. The 4.0 software upgrade, we have introduced that you can actually scan while the lights are off on the machine. That basically gives you better visibility in setting the initial start point with the laser, but also it means that in difficult to see areas, you have a much clearer objective of where the laser is actually located. The 4.0 software upgrade also includes a new way of us actually saving the profiles. That means that we've increased the capacity of any existing machines that does this upgrade, basically to thousands of wheels instead of previously being limited to only 100 wheels. The 4.0 software upgrade also includes the feature that you can have different users with the machine. The users can be set up in such a way that you can give access to individual operators depending on their skill level. That increases the governance of the machine, but also the safety aspects of it. The machine can be run from a new operator that has limited access to various features or all the way up to advanced users that have access to all of the features in the machine. The 4.0 software upgrade also includes when you're scanning a wheel, because of the extended tool that we have available for extra purchase, you can basically automatically set the range while scanning. That means from an operational point of view, once you've set the initial start point and the laser is within range, basically what it's doing while you're scanning, it's searching for the best optical height for the specific laser. The extended tools that can be seen in the machine itself is available for an extra price, additional to the software upgrade itself. The tool package comes in 3 variations, so a middle, left, and a right. And what you'll find, which is quite unique with the tools itself, is that it has a T-stop at the end. That basically ensures the operator using the machine is not setting the tool too low, but also because we actually are gripping the whole base of the tool itself, means that we have a much more stable cut during the cutting phase of the machine. The 4.0 software upgrades basically allows you to do up to 30% faster repairs. In aspect of that, that equals nearly 10 minutes of saving per every wheel that you're doing. If you're only doing 6 a day, that equals out to a full hour of extra time that you have to process either more wheels, do other things, or basically be home faster. The 4.0 software upgrade can be installed in any machines of above serial number 150. The way that we process the software upgrade is basically for you just to connect the machine to the Ethernet if you haven't already, and then we can log in and update the machine remotely. In order for you to purchase this upgrade, contact your local distributor or directly through SAS for us to guide you through the process.